Hello, my name is Victor Stoyanov, and this is my presentation on my final project. I'll be going over some of the difficulties I had implementing my pseudocode and the most challenging part of the project. In part A, there weren't really too many problems while implementing my code. The only issue I had was due to my if statement that was searching for the user's input not working. After copying an if statement from a previous assignment, it started working, so it must have been some small error in variable types or something that I couldn't find. Part B was easier than Part A because most of the code could just be moved over to there. The only difference was with the way I had to multiply the matrices together, which I had to review as I wasn't sure off the top of my head. Part C was also very easy and straightforward, as a lot of it could be copied from the other parts. The only difference was making a new loop that would flip the locations of the numbers and making it columns by rows instead of rows by columns. The final part was probably the most challenging. While the code itself was not difficult at all, I had to review Cramer's rule to know how to do it. Once Cramer's rule was researched and understood, the final part was overcome very easily. All that needed to be done was to make a function to find the determinant of a matrix, use it for 4 different matrices based on Cramer's rules, divide the outcome of the last 3 by the original determinant, and use the given values for x, y, and z. Overall, this project was very fun and simple to do with little to no issues. Probably the most challenging part overall was the fact that the code was starting to get long. If there was a small error, I had to scroll through a lot of lines to find it, which made it slightly more difficult. This was overcome simply by making a new file for the final 2 parts, which made it much easier for me to read. Thanks for watching.